It's Christmas time, and instead of drawing on paper, let's draw with code. Today we are creating a cool snowflake using Python Turtle, and don't worry, it's super beginner friendly. Okay, so I have created a new project. It's better to name it right away, so I'm gonna simply say Snowflakes. Once that is done, do make sure you increase the font size by clicking on this option. It just gives you better visibility. Now let's get started. I'm going to use import turtle followed by pen equals to turtle.turtle. So as I already told you, pen is the name of a variable that is going to store the details related to the turtle, which means this is the turtle library inside which you have the turtle function. Same goes for the screen also. We're going to use screen function. Now once that is done, do not forget to add a background color. So I'm going to simply use .bg color. Now I want to give something like a blue sky but a little bit darker so that it does not look like too much dark. So I'm going to use RGB color code for this particular color. Value of R will be 46, green will be 68 and 130 for blue. So I will get combination something like this. Oops, I have by mistake changed it. So make sure it is turtle, not pen. Now when you click on it, you'll get something like this. Now I'm ready with the background color. I also want the turtle to move as fast as it can. So here we have it. Now interesting part is snowflakes. I'm gonna use the comment so that I'm aware that from this line onwards the code to draw the snowflakes is being written. Now we are going to use a loop because snowflake has lots of branches and all of them are mostly same. So I'm going to use the same line of codes multiple times, and snowflake basically has main 6 branches. So I'm going to use 6 base branches in which we will have pen dot forward, which will make sure that we get a simple line first of all, and then we will make it come backwards dot backward. Just be with me, try to do it, and then we're gonna see. So this is the first base branch. Then we will be cutting out one branch from this main branch, which will be a little bit back. Then pen dot left so that it can draw in the upward direction 45 degrees. Once done, we're gonna use forward followed by 10. And then of course, once it moves in the forward direction, it should also come back to the starting point so that it can draw the second one. So backward followed by 10. Make sure that this is only a single dot, not double dot. Once that is done, we are going to simply see something. Yeah, it does works, but not in the way we want, right? So for that, I'll have to use much more turns. Now let's say I'm going to use pen dot right to make it turn, because you will see currently it's not turning, it's just continuously moving forward, going backward, moving forward, going backward, moving forward. We don't want that. We want it to turn also, right, to a specific direction. Now pen dot forward, then we're going to tick it back, then pen dot backward 10. Once that is done, let's turn it. Pen dot left and pen dot left somewhere around 45 degrees. Once that will be done, we are going to simply make it come backwards. And then you have the last one, which will help me to turn it in the left direction. And once that is done, let's see how it goes. Here we have a beautiful snowflake. Now, if you don't want the turtle to be here, you can come out of the loop. Yes, make sure that you have some extra spaces, which is known as indentation, because this space specifies to the program interpreter that these line of codes are supposed to be repeated, right? That is what the difference you will see. In the above code before the for loop, there is no space. But if you write any code after the for loop, it means only these line of codes needs to be repeated. However, if I want to make sure that the turtle needs to be hidden, so all I have to do is pen dot hide turtle. Now if that is here, now you will not see the turtle anymore once it is done drawing the snowflake. Now snowflake needs to be in white color. You know what to do. Just add pen dot color, choose the color as white, and here we have it in white color. Isn't it amazing? It is, right? Now, if you want it to be a little bit thicker, you know what to do. Pen.width, it is another function that you can use. And if you set the value to 3, it will give you a thicker snowflake. Now, as we have already done random ones, you can also use the randomness over here, and I'll leave that to you. However, if you want to draw the random snowflakes, I will add the code reference in the description. Do check it out. It's just for your help, of course, but make sure you try it on your own. Just few lines of code, you created a beautiful snowflake. If you enjoyed this Christmas theme project, like the video and subscribe for more fun Python turtle drawings. See you in the next video. Keep learning with Code Niche.